Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Following the government's decision to import 5,000 container houses, the Incorporated Master Builders Association of Jamaica is urging that Jamaican contractors be involved in the rebuilding and repair of the more than 100,000 houses which were damaged by Hurricane Melissa. Master Builders President Richard Mullings told RJR News that they want the government to adopt a two-pronged strategy which would include Jamaican contractors who are capable of building affordable concrete units. Mullings wants the government to use all the resources available at the country's disposal in response to this mammoth task. Speaking on Power 106 FM, the Development Bank of Jamaica Managing Director Dr. David Lowe said the institution is innovating, particularly around its $10 billion M5 Business Recovery Program to ensure that MSMEs can more easily access financing. Dr. Lowe explained that while the DBJ provides funds to approved financial institutions, including commercial banks, merchant banks, and credit unions, it has limited control over how these institutions on-lend the money to MSME clients. Under the M5 program, $3 billion will be available over 3 years to support MSME cash flow needs, while another $7 billion will go toward rehabilitating damaged plant, machinery, and other infrastructure following Hurricane Melissa. Dr. Lowe says improving the flow of these funds to MSMEs is critical to accelerating national recovery. Alliance Financial Services Limited has expanded its operations to the ground floor of the R. Danny Williams building in New Kingston at the Sagicor Group Jamaica headquarters, with the second located at Millennial Mall in Maypen, Clarendon. The company disclosed that several other offerings will also be added in the short to medium term. Speaking on the expansion, Alliance CEO Omar Brown noted, Alliance is committed to making everyday financial transactions more accessible and convenient for Jamaicans. By expanding our operations, we are ensuring that customers continue to benefit from reliable, efficient bill payment services in a central, easily accessible location. For the trading period ending December 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 7,318,215 units representing 41.37% of market sales volume. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,317,217 units representing 24.41% of market sales volume. QWI Investments Limited with 806,775 units representing 4.56% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $66.94 million purchased and US $107.24 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.78 per dollar, selling the US at $159.37 and buying the US at $161.15. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.81 per transaction, with selling at $114.08 and buying at $112.27. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.19 in profits, with selling at $209.44 and buying at $211.63. For our credit report tip of the day, in times when borrowing becomes more costly and financial institutions raise their standards, small business owners must shift from reaction mode to preparation mode. This environment isn't a setback. It's a signal to sharpen your financial structure, strengthen your credibility, and position your business to stand out while others scramble. With the right strategy, you can stay competitive, protect your cash flow, and move forward even when credit markets tighten. When aiming to be funded and focused, to turn ideas into bankable assets, here's the part nobody likes to admit. You can't build wealth on wishful thinking. You build wealth by giving your ideas structure, protection, direction, and a path to become bankable. And that's what this journey is about. We start by putting your business on solid ground, make your business legally tight, contract ready, fund ready. Then we get honest about the money, your numbers, your income, your credit. This is where the fire starts. You create a real funding plan. You identify real capital sources. And yes, you take action. You send that pitch, you submit that grant. You stop dreaming about opportunities and start touching them. This is where everything comes full circle. You create a 12-month plan that stretches you, not stresses you. Your ideas deserve a chance. Your business deserves structure. Your talent deserves income. You need to turn ideas into bankable assets. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.